Have you ever thought about making, say, $10,000 a month with what some people might call a boring business? Well, we're going to find out if that's possible. Today, we're breaking down a really popular YouTube video from Baddie in Business that claims to show you exactly how to do it with two AI-powered business models. So right off the bat, the creator does something pretty smart. She takes this big, scary number, $10,000 a month, and breaks it down into something that feels way more doable. She reframes it as just $350 a day. It's a simple little mental trick, right? But it instantly makes that huge goal feel a lot less intimidating. And this quote, this really hammers that point home. Her whole message is that this isn't some pie-in-the-sky dream. She's saying, look, this is a real, tangible, daily goal, and as she puts it, it's way more in reach than you may think. Okay, so what's the big promise here? Well, the video doesn't just pitch these as, another side hustle. It's framed as something bigger, a fundamental change in how entrepreneurship even works. The whole argument really boils down to these four core claims. The big idea is that AI is just knocking down all the traditional barriers. You don't need special skills, you don't need a ton of money to start, and you can be a total beginner. The technology itself is basically presented as the ultimate level playing field. All right, let's dive into the first idea, automated online stores. This is all about using AI to build a whole drop shipping business basically from scratch. The really key thing here is how hands-off this model is supposed to be. You're not packing boxes, you're not dealing with inventory. The AI helps build the store and find the stuff to sell, and then a third-party supplier handles all the shipping. So your job becomes more about marketing and managing the store, and you just take a cut of each sale. And the video lays it out as a pretty simple three-step process. First, an AI tool literally generates a Shopify store for you. Step 2, you pick a niche, like pets or fashion or whatever. And third, you connect this tool called AutoDS to handle all the products and shipping. So you might be asking, why this specific tool, AutoDS? Well, the video makes it out to be more than just a way to find products. It's presented as this all-in-one tool that has a hand-picked marketplace, a pretty cool ad spy feature to see what your competition is doing on TikTok and Facebook, and it connects you with suppliers that ship fast, which, as we know, is absolutely crucial in e-commerce. It even has options for branding the products. Okay, so that first model is all about physical products, things you can touch. But the second idea? It completely shifts gears into the world of digital goods. And as you can see here, it's a totally different ballgame. All right, on to business model number 2, creating and selling digital products. We're talking about things like ebooks, templates, that sort of thing. And the big claim is that AI can pretty much handle the entire creation process for you. And this quote from the video really gets to the heart of why digital products are so appealing. You build it one time, and you can continue to sell that one digital product over and over and over again. I mean, that's the dream, right? You do the work once, and then you can sell it forever. It's the classic recipe for passive income. To make this happen, the video points to another tool, this one called Trend Assist AI. It's pitched as this complete, all-in-one platform that not only finds what's trending, but it actually builds the product for you and then even spits out marketing content to help you sell it. The video actually walks through how this works, step by step. It all starts with a simple prompt. The example used is, I'm a mom that teaches other mindset hacks for moms. Give me 10 trending digital product ideas for this niche. Super specific, right? So the AI gives back a list. And from there, the user decides, okay, I'm going to make an ebook. The next step is another prompt, this time asking for 10 trending title ideas for an ebook about, you guessed it, mindset hacks for busy moms. And then for the final step, the grand finale of the creation process, it's literally just this simple command to the AI. The positive mom mindset hacks for optimistic living sounds good. Now can you write the ebook for me? And just like that, the video shows the AI starting to generate the whole book, all based on that one chosen title. The really crucial part here is just how fast and complete this whole thing is. The AI writes the book, you just pick a professional-looking template for it, and then that same tool helps you come up with marketing strategies, writes your social media posts, your captions, even your ads. The claim is you can go from just a fuzzy idea to a product that's ready to sell in a matter of minutes. It's wild. So after laying out these two business models, the video pivots a bit. It starts guiding viewers toward all the other free resources the creator offers, which, is a really smart part of the whole strategy.
And this is where you can really see the bigger picture, her whole business funnel. She's got free courses for both the store idea and the digital products. There's a YouTube playlist specifically on how to get sales, and there's an Instagram for business inspiration. It's this whole ecosystem, really, all designed to take you from just being curious to actually doing something.
So all of this leaves us with a pretty big question, doesn't it? If AI can do so much of the heavy lifting, coming up with the idea, creating the product, even marketing it, what does it actually mean to be an entrepreneur anymore? Is the future of business less about being a creator and more about being a great curator and promoter? It's definitely some food for thought.